Hey guys, we're going to practice downloading and uploading an Excel sheet. So what we're going to do, this is just a fun, cute little activity. Anyway, so what's going to happen is this. We are going to download from the lesson resources. It's a scavenger hunt activity. One is an Excel worksheet and the other is a PowerPoint. So what you're going to do is you're going to download it. Now, once you download it, you're going to need to save it, but some of us aren't going to be able to save it because it will have a little thing at the top that says enable, E-N-A-B-L-E, and it's going to be highlighted. You have to enable it. It's going to be at the top of the sheet somewhere. You're going to have to click enable and then save as on your desktop. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Then you're going to put them side by side, just like I have it. You're going to put the Excel sheet on one side and the PowerPoint on the other. Now, don't put it in presentation mode. It's not going to work if you do that. You have to leave it as is. Now, so I'm going to show you what's going to happen. We're going to practice doing some cool stuff and seeing how it works. You are my guinea pig class. So let's look over here on the left side. It says, after looking behind the diploma, type the number in cell A5, the blue cell. The question will pop up and you record the correct answer in cell C5, the green cell. Column D will tell you where to look in the Bitmoji class. So now I have up here a video that you're welcome to watch on integers. Now integers are negative and positive numbers. If it's a positive number, you could just type in, like if it was positive 5, you could just type in 5. If it's a negative 5, you're going to need to type in a negative. That means like a little minus sign in front of it. So you would type in minus 5. Now you can watch the video on integers. They'll give you a little bit of heads up. This is just a fun little activity. So let's see what happens. So the first thing it says, the number behind the diploma, type in A4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the diploma over here. Now notice, all right, I'm going to undo it, but I'm going to click on the diploma and I'm going to move it. And behind it is a little clue. It says go to number 1. So whatever number is right here, you're going to come and type it in right here. So I'm going to type in number 1. And then I'm going to push enter. And if it's the right number, the question will come up. It says Josiah went to 25 baseball games this year. Now, he went to 25. That's a good thing, all right? So is that going to be a positive 25 or a negative 25? Well, if he went to 25 baseball games, that's going to be a positive 25. So I'm going to come and type an integer value. I'm going to click on the link, and I'm going to put 25. And I'm going to put enter. And it says behind the fish tank. Now, what if I accidentally put a negative 25? Nothing happens because it is wrong. So I'm going to go back up and I'm going to put in 25. And I'm going to push enter. And it says behind the fish tank. Now I'm going to go over here and I got to find the fish tank. Okay, there's the fish tank. So I'm going to click it and I'm going to move it. And it says go to number 8. That means I'm going to come here, click on there, and I'm going to type number, oh, that's the wrong thing. I got to make sure it hits it. 8. Enter. Oh, the stock market dropped 49 points after the pandemic. All right, so you would type in, do you think a positive 49 or a negative 49? All right, so that's what you're going to be doing. Now, one of them is going to be asking, it's going to say something about nickels. Well, when you do the nickel one, you're going to put it like money. So it could be 0.43 or 0.45. So you're going to remember that, okay, when you get to it. And if it doesn't work, that means you got to reread it. Could it have been a positive or could it have been a negative? Once you've done this, I want you to save it. Then I want you to try to upload it to the assignment area. If it won't upload, it's okay. Take a picture of it. Do you know how to snip it? When you snip something, I can push the little Windows button. I don't know how it is on Apples or anything, but you can push the window button, shift, and then S, and I'm going to get this little thing at the top, and I'm going to say, yep, I want to snip that. And I can come and take a picture of it. It's going to then come up, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to save it, and I'm going to save as a scavenger hunt. Scavenger hunt. Now, I'll make sure I'm going to save it to my desktop. Save it. That way, now I can now upload it to the assignment area. Now, this is not a grade. We are practicing downloading and uploading. I'm not going to take any grades on downloading and uploading right now, but I want to see who can do it, who can't, and then I'm going to call. If we can't figure it out, we're going to figure it out. All right, so that's just a fun little activity to do after the quiz, okay? All right, so this is just a fun little activity, and we will see you tomorrow. But your homework tonight is to go on Edpuzzle, and you're going to be doing a GCF and an LCM notes. GCF, greatest common factor, and LCM, least common multiple notes. All right, bye-bye.